what do we mean by clean Ganga? Okay. Actually, can we ever clean Ganga? And if we have to clean Ganga, what we need to do? The basic thing that we need to do is to make sure that our wastes do not go into Ganga. And Ganga is a symbol. As I said, what is the difference between the earlier Ganga action plan and the Namami Gange program that we are talking about? Because it is realized that unless until you talk about each and every drain that we have in the Ganga basin, okay, if that drain is not clean, Ganga cannot be clean. Okay, so we have to start. And if you look at today, all of us have turned our back towards any drain or any river. Today, nobody wants to, people are not connected to the cities, to the rivers. If you look at Yamuna river in Delhi, right, people are not connected to the river. All of them have turned their back. There is a big drain that goes and joins Yamuna, Shahadra, okay, it's a drain. Now, the drain word has become a dirty word in our mind. But the drains are natural drains. They are also like small rivers, small tributaries, etc. But why they have become dirty? Because we have started sending all our waste into those drains, and eventually that goes. So, the Ganga cannot be clean unless until we make sure that we do not send our solid waste, liquid waste from any source that you have into any of the drain that you are talking, and that is why the whole basin approach comes in. Okay? Unless until the Yamuna is clean, you cannot talk about Ganga getting clean. Okay? Yamuna cannot be clean if the small tributaries are not clean, and like that, whichever town that you are staying, if each of these drains that you have, which you call it dirty drains, and today what we end up doing is covering them with some slab or whatever. So we need to connect people to that. And ideally we should move to a situation where people will like to have the front of their house facing the drain and not the back of their house facing the drain. Today in all our planning processes, what is happening is the backyard is towards the drain, not the front towards the drain. And unless until that situation turns around, I don't think we will ever have. Now the question is, what does it mean if I have to not send any kind of waste into the river? If you are talking about Ganga basin alone, there are 550 crore people in Ganga basin. 50 crore into 10 rupees a day amounts to 500 crores per day. That's the kind of investment that we need, okay, and how much we are doing it. We say we have spent so much on this. Now, this 500 crore if we spend, okay, 50% of that is on employment, is on manpower. So you can also say that out of 500 crores that I am spending, 250 crore of employment that I am generating on that. So we need to connect that. When we talk about Swachh Bharat, can Swachh Bharat and clean Ganga be different? If Swachh Bharat is done, Ganga is automatically in. So they are not separate projects. We talk about smart cities. What do we mean by smart cities? Right? Can we have smart cities without Swachh Bharat and Swachh Ganga? Right? Now when we talk about smart cities, we also have to understand what is the meaning of the smart city.